Hi, I'm Adam Keppel, and I'm excited to share Agrology. Many farmers don't have the tools and data they need. With Agrology, every farmer and agronomist around the world gets insights unique to their conditions, regardless of geography, crop, or connectivity. Three pillars guide Agrology system development. One, we build affordable sensors so growers get ground truth data across nanoclimates, and we encrypt our growers' data with keys only they hold. Two, our machine learning modeling approach ensures that each grower gets guidance specific to their nanoclimates and conditions. We work at the resolution that matters to the highest value food crops, tackling a substantially underserved and untapped market. Three, our proprietary edge of network approach delivers guidance when connectivity is unavailable, further enabling us to serve emerging markets in new geographies. With non-dilutive grants from the National Science Foundation, we built and patented a new approach to agricultural sensors. Instead of individual sensors, we rely on an array that allows us to expand and pivot quickly and is lab instrument accurate at 1/100th of the cost. We are transformationally more affordable than competitors, so growers install more sensors per block, gaining insights at the nanoclimate level. We build inexpensive sensors, but our real value is in our machine learning and regional models and the intuitive, actionable insights these models deliver to growers and agronomists. Ultimately, we can scale faster with an inverse need for hardware in certain geographies. And while we will never share or sell individual farm data, the regional models we create will expand our revenue to enterprise clients. Our extensible sensor fusion approach let us quickly expand our capabilities ahead of wildfire season on the West Coast. We added smoke monitoring and are working with wine, grape, and cannabis growers to monitor both smoke exposure and water usage. This will allow us to refine our irrigation and pest guidance models, while concurrently generating revenue and building brand awareness, all a year earlier than we anticipated. We have a big vision and an impactful mission. Our team has the right combination of industry experience, technical skills, and diverse perspectives to make agronomic data insights accessible around the world. Please reach out if you'd like to learn more. Thank you very much.
Thank you and welcome. We do have a lot of great questions. I've got one here that's interesting. Maybe you mentioned it, but do you share any farmer data? And is it, if so, is it anonymous, I guess is a way to say that?
So we've built the platform to completely protect and encrypt farmer data. So as the data enters our system, it's encrypted with a key that the farmers own and control. So we can't actually share data if we wanted to, it'd just be a jumble. What we let farmers do is they can go into the app and they can choose who they share data with. Then that person or that organization is given either a temporary or permanent key, which will let them access that data, say for a week, a month, a day, depending on the need. So for example, if we need to go and help a customer with their system, the first thing we have to do is request access to their data so we can see what's going on. And it's kind of baked into the platform. It's not just a policy, it's part of the core technology.
Fantastic. And maybe just a quick follow-up. Do you plan on expanding outside of the West Coast, and are you currently selling to customers?
Yes, we're currently selling to customers. We're operational on the East and West Coast of the United States, and we're also having some very early conversations in South America. But our goal is to expand globally, and we specifically built the product so it can operate off power grid and off even cellular grid as necessary, both to serve the United States and other areas that have rural conditions without coverage, as well as areas in developing countries where we won't see the same level of infrastructure as we see in the United States.
Fantastic. Well, thank you so much for joining us. And that wraps it. Whoa, as the wind picks up, our first 7 pitches